YouTube, Dr. Yvette, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about me cleaning up my yellow rose of Texas rose tree. This rose gave me such a beautiful show at the beginning, well, I would say late spring, early summer. And then somehow it got the white mildew and the black spots. And I bought this 3-in-1 spray to spray on it. And then it gave me a little bit more performance. But now that it is August, late August, almost September, it is not doing a thing. And it looks absolutely sad. So I am going to clean it up and prune it, hoping that next year I get a nice performance out of it. But I've also thought about moving this because it's at the edge of my garage, and I would just like it to be over in the rose garden. So I may move it. I also thought it may get a little too much sun because it gets direct sun all day. And I know most rose bushes will say full sun, but I think here full sun is too much for rose bushes in this coastal South where I am. So I'm cleaning up the bush, and then I want to show you my other roses that are doing amazing, that are performing quite nicely. And they said the first year that these roses kind of sleep and that the second year they creep. So this is the first year, and they have given me a few blooms, but I want to show that to you because it makes me happy. It makes me smile. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel while you experience me as a new gardener. Happy gardening. As you can see, my other roses are doing amazing. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe. Happy gardening.